Now, if you hate cleaning your bathroom like I do, give it a daily wipe down with a clean microfiber cloth to get rid of the toothpaste and soap scum. This will only take a couple of minutes of your time per day. And then on a weekend, give it a 5-minute clean. Today I'm going to share with you my weekend routine. Now, I tend to remove anything that's surrounding my sink area, so you do the same. And then I start by wetting the sink with some water. And for some trouble spots, like I have here, which is a build-up of limescale, I'm going to use my vinegar and spray and let it sit for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to use my chosen multi-purpose cleaner and apply it to my sponge. Or if you're using baking soda, you can sprinkle generously over the surface of your sink. Then it's a matter of scrubbing every nook and cranny of your sink with a scrub brush or your sponge. Now once done, you're onto the faucet and the handles, where you can use a soft bristle toothbrush to reach those tight areas. And you can also dip a cloth in some vinegar and wipe down the faucet and handles to remove any watermarks. Here, as you can see, I'm going to start shifting the limescale from the water flow. Now, vinegar is great for breaking down hard water and leaving behind a streak-free shine to your chrome fixtures. Now, I like to disinfect my sink with either using disinfectant wipes or spray. And all you have to do is leave it for 10 minutes for it to take effect before wiping over with a microfiber cloth. Now, for more bathroom solutions, check out the next video coming up, and don't forget to give this video a like.